Now, it's been a while since I posted an update video on this bike over here. So hopefully, this is a 2015 Street Glide that I picked up from CoPart. So it's just taken a while to get all of the pieces that I need. I just ordered a new inner fairing to replace the one that was extremely damaged. So this is the inner fairing that I'm replacing. And you can see it's all beat up. You know, the guy's cracked and out. And what I didn't realize was that the speaker grills actually screw to the inside. So I didn't realize that. So I have to order new grills. One side is good, but you can see the other side is all busted. So I did talk to a friend. They said they may have these, so I'll find out tomorrow if they have them or not. Then if they have them, then I'll just replace those with whatever they have here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these rubber pieces off, and I'm going to put those around the new fairing. And then I ordered a new one here because you can see it's kind of, you know, it stops halfway through. So I did order a new one of these too. So I'm going to put that on. So let's get this out of the way. So for anybody who needs to change their inner fairing, just remember that the speakers, the speaker grill covers, that they actually work, they actually have to screw from inside. So I was hoping to get the inner fairing installed today, along with the outer fairing, and button everything back up in the front. But since I don't have the speaker grills, well, can't do that. So that's a wrap. So I did order the fairing, the inner fairing from Hogworks, and actually I tried to get the inner fairing from Hogworks and they didn't actually have it. So I actually went to Dennis Kirk's website and they had exactly what I was looking for. So I'm gonna take this guy here, one side of the way. And I was surprised, and I'll be right back. And just to give you an example, this is the speaker grill. This right here, so you see we have the 3 screws here. Well, it actually goes this way, and then the speaker comes in behind it. I thought the screw was this way, but you know, that was wrong. So for the inner fairing, I was a little surprised because I was looking for the compartment door because I wanted that, of course, vivid black. But in the packaging with the Hogworks kit, it actually comes already with the compartment door. And it was funny because I called Hogworks and asked them about this piece, and they didn't know anything about it. But it's actually included in the box, because it doesn't really say it on the website, or at least I didn't see it. And then the same thing with this piece here, the neck, the grill cover. This is where all your accessory switches are. That's also included in the package. So I had ordered a new one of these too because I did not know that it was going to come inside the Hogworks kit. So this was included, and so was this door. That door was included, which was a good surprise for me. So I'll end up sending this piece back, and I was gonna have the existing door painted to gloss black, but now I don't have to, so that's good. So put these guys back, secure it. So the Hogworks kit is pretty damn good. Because for what I paid for it, I just did not know that it was going to come with all those extra pieces. So let's take this guy out. Let's get a good look at it. This is looking pretty good to me. So I think I said gloss black, but I mean vivid black. So I wanted to have the inside of the inner fairing to be vivid black or gloss black or whatever you want to call it, because I think that looks better. And since I have to replace it anyway, then why am I going to replace it back with, you know, that flat black one when I could just do a vivid black? So I've been saying that I'm going to fix this up and then sell the bike. Maybe either do a auction for it or raffle it off, you know, sell some raffle tickets, and then whoever wins the raffle, they win the bike. So I was thinking about doing that as well. But, you know, I'm also having some issues with my bike, which is a 04 Road King, and I'll post some pictures of that bike soon. So I was having some issues with that bike now. So I'm thinking of how maybe I may end up keeping this bike because I do like the way it rides. I've never ridden a street glide before, but now I can see why folks, you know, look so comfortable when they ride the street glide. So anyway, so what I'm going to do today is, like I said, I'm going to take the pieces, I'm going to take the rubber and put it around here, the installation and the insulation, and put it around here. And then I'm going to put the gauges back, put the rubber piece around here for the radio. So I'm going to do as much as I can on this fairing. And then that's going to be that for today. And then hopefully my friend can actually come through and have the speaker grills. So just take another look, but this is actually how it goes. It goes like that. So I need two. I only have one, so I need another one. So let me go grab the gauges. Talking about grabbing the gauges, I need to find the gauges. What did I do with them? Gauges. Here we go. So I tried to separate everything out, so that way I know what went where. So these are my gauges. So we take this guy, fit it on there like so. So that should be on there nice and snug. We take this guy, do the same thing, fit it on there nice and snug. Should just go right back in place. Take our guy here, set that right there. Have my bolt gauge. This guy here. The fuel gauge is on this side. I'm not gonna snug everything down yet. Just gonna get them in, get them started. Put our voltage meter. Put that right there. So most of these guys had this little piece, this little rubber piece that went into this little metal screw, whereas this top one is the only one that did not. For the fuel gauge, it wasn't going into one of these silver pieces. It was going into it was going right into the plastic. So this guy has a washer on top. Put that one in there. Alrighty, gauges are in. Alright, so we got this on. I just need another little piece to go up to this point, and I do have it, but I won't put that on until I get the speaker grills. So when I get the speaker grills, we'll screw those in, finish this guy up. Then I'll put the cover back on the other side for the radio, and then this guy will be done. You just need to put him back on the bike, and that's it. You know, I also wanted to mention the front air vent that goes on top. Well, I wanted that to also be vivid black, and a lot of times, you know, you really can't find it. So I did try to order it, but I couldn't find it. So what I ended up doing was just getting it painted vivid black to match, so that way all of it is vivid black. So you'll see that too when you get it installed. Looks good too. The guy did a nice job matching it. So, like you said, he orders this paint by the boatload, so I guess he paints a lot of vivid black stuff. But I'll plug the guy's address and stuff in the description. I forget his name. I think it's Chris. Chris Paint, something like that. So he's a good dude. So that's all I'm gonna have for today. I will hopefully get back at you tomorrow with the finishing pieces, where hopefully everything will be put back together. But of course, you know, nothing's ever easy when you're putting anything back together, and it's not original factory. But anyway, peace.